guys, good morning, and I just want to say thank you for all your love and support because in less than a month you're sold out, and today I've decided to show you a little bit, or to tour you in our factory where all the 11 products are made, blueberry and the glutathione pills. Go. Let's go! So we're on our way to the factory, and from my house to there, it takes only 30 minutes. So there, it's that fast and convenient for me. So ayan guys, here we've arrived already. We're at the factory where 11 is made. Come. So we strictly follow FDA protocols, mask, hair cap, and lab gown. So let's go. Okay, ready to go inside. These are the finished goods. It's ready for delivery. And come. These are ready for deliveries, and it's ready, and there. 11 blueberry, blah, 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 blah. 64 boxes and 7 sachets in 1 box. So okay guys, take a peek. Hanggang dyan lang. This is where the mixing and the blending happens. That machine can carry up to 250 kilos of raw materials, and it's done in 20 minutes. So all the raw products are put in there, blend. Ta-da! So after mixing and blending, of course, it has to be packed and put in a sachet, and we're moving forward to that station, the sachet filling area. Okay guys, so we're now here at the sachet filling station. So come in. Let me introduce Kuya JB here. So Kuya, di ba, dito nilalagay yung powder. And then this is PET foil. It's food grade foil. So yan, nilalagay yung powder dito, and then the machine does the packing and it seals it, and yan na yung products, yung final product. So, and for quality check, to make sure that the product is perfect when it arrives to you guys, he's there. That's his job, and Kuya JB does his job well. There, quality check and quality control. And then, ano nila, how many grams? 11.90. So after this, we move on to the repacking area where we put the sachets in boxes. So guys, we're here at the repacking area, and as you can see, we'll talk about this later. Kuya, ano to yung ginagawa mo? Ikaw yung
naglalagay po ng expiration date.
Siya, manufacturing. So his job, Kuya Oliver's job, is to make sure that the manufacturing date and the expiration date is right. Okay, so as you guys can see, everyone's packing here. This is the packing area where they put the sachets in boxes. There are 7 sachets in 1 box. And just to be sure, tinitimbang din nila doon that there are really 7 sachets in 1 box. After they box the sachets, we bring it to the sealing and shrinking area. As much as I would want to touch the box, I can't because I don't have gloves, but yeah, there. So we're moving on there to the sealing and shrinking area. So this is the final process. This machine is the sealing machine. So Kuya, Anong ginagawa ng sealing machine?
Balik talaga nag po ng plastic para po mabalutan po yung product. And then, ilalagay po sa conveyor.
Okay, so pwede natin sampalan, kuya? Okay, so now that it's sealed, ito yung ang itsura guys when it's sealed. Of course, we need to shrink it, right? And it will go all the way there. Pwede ko ba ipasok, kuya? Okay. Labas tayo para makita natin ang shrinked final product. Here we are guys. Ito na ang pinaka-final stage. Sige. I cannot touch it kasi medyo mainit siya. This machine heats it up for the plastic to shrink. So, ready for delivery. This is where the glutathione capsules are made, but it cannot go inside. I will just explain to you a little bit of what's happening inside here. This is step 1. This is where the capsules and the powder are put together. It's sealed here. And then after that, after the capsules are sealed, it's transferred to this machine. It's called the polishing machine to make sure that the capsules are flawless and perfect. And then the third step is the bottling area to make sure that there are 30 capsules in one bottle. And the last stage is the packaging, which I am going to demonstrate. I have here an empty bottle. So what it does, guys, it's automatic na. So when you close it, it automatically seals. So there's no machine that does the sealing. It's the bottle itself. So there. And then let's open it. Ta-da! So sealed for your protection and safety. So guys, we are here at the laboratory where the product is tested. So every batch,
Yes,
it's
po.
being tested.
Yes po.
Yeah, so this is the head chemist here. His name is Justin.
Yes.
Bieber. Justin, please explain. Kasi I don't know, I'm not a chemist, so he will explain it better. Very well and precise.
So, ma'am, we have two different testing po. When it comes to your juice, ma'am, yung product natin, which is yung E11VEN Glowberry po. So, una sa lahat, ma'am, i-check muna natin yung sa powder, kung yung itsura niya is probable, ano po dun sa standards, kung nako-conform po sa standards. Then yung sa amoy, then titimpla po natin siya, ma'am, para po matikman niya sa taste. So, magkakaroon tayo, ma'am, ng for taste test, tapos after that, ma'am, dun po tayo sa physical analysis, which is sa pH meter po, sa TSS yung, ano ma'am, sa solubility po, then sa moisture analysis po ng powder.
Okay.
So, the importance of it, ma'am, is when it comes to pH po, para po malaman natin yung acidity or yung basicity para pag sobrang asim, ma-check po natin, mahahabol po natin sa production para po ma-hold, bago ma-deliver at saka maging finished goods. When it comes to moisture naman po, dapat po meron din tayong standard na sinusunod para hindi po masyadong mataas yung moisture. Pag mas mataas po yung moisture, mas prone po sa contamination. Then, if ever, by time, baka po maging malampi. So, medyo basa yung powder, which is nakaka-apekto sa quality natin. Then, for TSS, ma'am, yung sa sugar solubility po, if ever po na yung ating gagamiting extract, which is sa juice, by season din po kasi yung tamis at asim, nag-iiba din per months or years, seasonal fruits, nagbabago-bago. So, mahahabol din natin yung ma'am yung sa lasa to ensure the quality.
Okay.
So, sa Glowberry natin, ma'am, one sachet is for 200 ml. Yun po yung standard na sinusunod namin.
200 ml.
Yes po, para po masunod din yung sa titikman natin. So, shot tayo, ma'am Ellen.
Okay, sige.
Sige po. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, okay.
Cheers, guys! Ito na yung mga bagong shots for youthful, beautiful, healthy, glowing skin. Glowing from within. So that's it, guys. This is what happens here in the lab, and from start to finish, everything is tested to make sure that the quality is perfect. So thank you, Justin. So that's it, guys. That's the end of our E11 factory tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And for those asking where you can get our products, you can follow us on our social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. I'll put down the links below. And you can just send us a message, and we ship worldwide. So see you soon. Mwah!